Good day everyone, I'm Arnold Bivaliana. For today's mini vlog, we interview a basketball player locally. But the basketball player we interviewed is named Christian Ramones. Now, let's jump into the interview. Okay, the first question is, what are the preparations you have made before the competitions?
Before basketball competition, as a player, typically engage in the various preparation to ensure they are physically mentally ready to perform at their best diligently. Following this preparation before basketball competition, player can optimize physical and mental readiness and maximize their performance on the court and increase their chances of success in the game.
The second question is, what is the most challenging part as a basketball player?
When I play with someone who was bigger and taller than me, it was good because of feeling of proving that size height are not only basis to show that you are better and have an advantage in this game.
Now, the third question is, what are the problems you have encountered before, during, and after the game?
Siguro yung naglaro ako na may injury yung pa ako, then natapakan ng kalaban namin.
The fourth question is, how you accept when you're losing a game and win after the game?
For me, it hurts to accept defeat, but it's a game. There are winners and losers, but losing is because you learn how to win. There is saying losing is a part of winning.
The fifth question is, what is the worst practice you ever endured?
When the game was near, because of our coach wanted to win the league, we joined so we had saying that anyone who really wants to win can practice hard.
The sixth question is there a particular significance to your jersey number?
None. The number that I indicate into my jersey is the day that I am born.
Now, the seventh question is, how do you channel your frustration when the referee's decision doesn't go your way?
I'm just thinking that it's part of the game and rules, and that's how I don't lose my game. It because if I get frustrated or angry, I'll lose and ruin my game.
The eighth question is, what advice has the coach given you that you'll always remember?
Suffer and suffer until you get what you want. Magaling ka, wala ka lang kasi tiwala sa sarili mo. That's the advice I heard from him every time I play. Because I'm nervous and I feel weak on myself.
The ninth question is, what tips would you given to someone going out for basketball?
Siguro mapapayo ko or tips is before you play, you need to make sure you warm up so you can avoid the injuries and follow the rules of the game. Respect and sportsmanship, practice man yan o liga, panalo man o talo.
Last question is, what has basketball taught you that carries over into other areas of your life?
Basketball is not just a sport. Also teaches valuable life lessons that can be applied to various aspects of life. Teamwork, communication, resilience, and discipline, and many more.
Thank you, Christian Ramones, for answering our interview question about basketball.